Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna share some of the pumpkin themed activities. So let's get started. At first I'm gonna show you all these counting worksheet. Here I have made some stars inside the pumpkin, and while doing this worksheet kids have to count the stars and then circle the appropriate number from the options given below. Here I have started from number 4 and I went all the way up to number 10 because I already know that my daughter can count up to number 3 very well. So I thought it will be a good practice for her to try from number 4 to number 10. That's the focus for me right now for teaching her the number quantity. So worksheets are very good for analyzing or examining or testing how much kids already know, and that's the benefit of worksheet. That's how I see. But as far as when it comes to teaching any new concepts, I generally prefer the hands-on learning activity. Here I'm gonna use these worksheets only for testing her knowledge. Along with the number counting worksheets, I have also made these types of number recognition worksheets to practice the number recognition from number 11 to 15. In addition to that, on this worksheet, I put some of the numbers inside the pumpkins and some of the numbers outside the pumpkin. So while finishing this worksheet, she has to color the circle inside the pumpkin orange and the circles outside the pumpkin green. This way we can teach them position concept, that is inside and outside. Here on this worksheet I put the pumpkins in a straight row, and kids have to find out the first pumpkin and color it orange, and find out the last pumpkin and color it green. And also at the bottom I put the pumpkins in a vertical line, and they have to find out the top and bottom pumpkin, and top pumpkin color it orange and bottom pumpkin green. To further explain the same concept, I have made these types of worksheet where kids have to color the circles inside the pumpkin orange, but whatever the circles are next to the pumpkin green, and as well as the circles on the top and the bottom red. I stapled all these worksheets together so that I can make a whole entire pumpkin theme activity book, and it is a perfect activity book during the fall season. Next activity is a Play-Doh activity. In this, first we have made small balls out of the Play-Doh and we used it as a counter, and we pretended these are pumpkins. I gave a carton to my daughter and I asked her to put one a Play-Doh ball into one slot. So 1 pumpkin, 2 pumpkin, 3 pumpkins. So we sang a song along with it, and this way we practiced our numbers. Also we have made this type of pumpkin out of the Play-Doh. It is very easy to make. You just have to make a flat shape. After that I put green stem and wine out of the green Play-Doh, and it turned out as a perfect pumpkin. And after that I gave my daughter some pony beads, and we decorated this pumpkin using these pony beads. It is a very good fine motor activity. If you are looking for some of the fine motor activities to do with your kids, then this activity is very perfect. And after that I took out all the beads out of the pumpkin, and it left some markings on it, and it looked very pretty and beautiful. And for fun I put some 2 googly eyes on the pumpkin, and it gave like a face shape to pumpkin. And after that we cut our Play-Doh pumpkin and pretended as if we made small cookies out of the pumpkin, and we also decorated those cookies using the beads. And also we counted these cookies, and this way we practice our counting. After that I made letter P out of the play-doh, and we decorated letter P with the pony beads again. Lastly, I read this book, The Biggest Pumpkin Ever. This book is perfect if you are planning some kind of pumpkin theme activities. And in this book, they have explained how two mouse took good care of the pumpkin. They explain how a pumpkin exactly grows. And at the end, they were able to make the big jack-o'-lantern out of the pumpkin they grew. So it is a very perfect book to read for this theme. And this way I have planned whole entire week of activities on the base of pumpkin. That's it for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like and share. See you next time with the next video.